Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add a screen lock onto your REDMI Pad 2 Pro. Let's begin! So, as you can see currently, whenever I will lock the screen, you will see that actually I have no kinds of screen lock whatsoever. So let's quickly add one. We can do that by heading into the settings, and then we can go down a little and enter face data and screen lock. Now let's go to screen lock, which is right here. Let's go into screen lock, which is right here. Thank you. And now we can choose the type of our screen lock. We can choose between the pattern, pin and password. Now personally I'm going to go with pattern just because I find it pretty easy and quick, but if you want you can always go with pin or pattern. Now we have some very important information that we just want to remember our password, because the moment we forget it, the only way to actually gain access to our device is to perform a factory reset, which will it will remove the password, yes, but it will also remove everything else. It will remove your images, apps, photos, images, I already told that, videos, contacts, messages, music, everything will be gone. So yeah, just don't forget your password. Anyway, we can hit got it, and we can begin setting up our pattern, or if you chose pin, or if you chose password, your password. So for me, I'm going to go with a very simple L shape. Now we want to redo that pattern once again. And now let's simply hit confirm. And yeah, that's all. And now whenever we lock the screen and do something like this, we can see the lock screen. And yeah, that's it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.